Foshan Wheelpad HC series is our multi-head Rattler packing machine. It is combined automatic multi-head Rattler with vertical packing machine, with multi-language man-machine interface system and double servo motor for fuel pullings and horizontal ceiling-driven system, as well as optical tracking devices to keep accuracy and running speed. This machine is widely applied to pillow bags, gusset bag, siew-tie bag, in a variety of snack food, frozen food, coffee beans, oatmeal, granulate sugar, salt, rice, pet food, small hardware, and so on. Also, Foshan Wheelpad offers MC and EC series rattling and packing machine, which is in economic price for choice. More machine details. Welcome to inquiry.